Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how we can easily add a telephone hyperlink in MailChimp email campaigns. So let's start. The first thing we want to do is just be in MailChimp or get to MailChimp campaign when you're gonna click on campaigns here and then click on campaign. And when I'm going to be here, let's edit the content. And you will get here, right? So what you want to do is just simply get on your MailChimp editor here, button text. Let's go with a call here. And what you want to do is like web address here, change to, it can be a web address. And I'll go tell like this. So this is how you can do it, right? And then you click here, save and close. And now you got it. This is whole. And then you can like preview it and call here, right? And make a call from, pick an application. And this is simple way how you can do it. It's like that simple. So thank you very much, guys. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. If I helped you, I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah.